Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to convert a YouTube video to PowerPoint slides and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can use a YouTube transcript for that and turn into slides. You can head over to youtube.com for that. And within YouTube, you can go over to a certain video that you would like to add up to a slide. For example, let's say this is the one. And after you add it up, you can just go over and look out for the transcript. Usually when you scroll down, you can look out for more option. And there, you can usually look out for this transcript section and click on show transcript. After that, on your right hand side, you will be getting the transcript. Now you just need a copy of the whole transcript. So you can just go over and copy it up. And once you copy it up, you can paste the transcript into ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT for that. And there, paste it. And once you paste it, what you can do is you can just go over and type in, turning this transcript into PowerPoint slide, and enter and type in, and hit enter. After that, it will automatically summarize it. You can start by waiting for a bit, and you can just go and paste the transcript and send the video link. Just go ahead and do so. You can usually download the PPTX file available. You can click on PPTX. And you should be finding the PPTX. You can open up the folder location directly, double click on it, and you should be finding it being opened on your screen. There we go. You can see the transcript available with the video, and you can even send the video link here. If not this, if you only want the video inside the slides, you can just go over and close this up and open up PowerPoint. Let's open up PowerPoint. So go over to PowerPoint, this one right here, and start by creating up a new presentation. You can do so. You can start up creating a new presentation. Let's say this is the presentation I've just created. So once you do so, you can click on insert option at the very top, and you can directly look out for the option for video here. This one right here, you can just go and look out for that. I'm just gonna enable the saving, and there we go. So go to insert and look out for the videos option. After that, look out for the option of pasting the YouTube link. You can select this option of online videos, and you can wait for the while the video loads, and you can just go and enter the address for the online video. You can paste the YouTube link. For that, you need to head over to YouTube and paste it right here. Right here, you can just go and paste the address. And a preview of your video should be appearing on your screen right there. You can click on insert. And once you click on insert, the video should be available on your screen. You may just go over and resize it and then place it anywhere you want on your slide and paste it like this. That should probably work out for you. Those are the solutions you can follow up if you'd like to go ahead and, use convert a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.